Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought it would be fun today just to talk about a couple fall top and sweater options that you might want to consider adding to your collection. Every year I wonder, like, what am I wearing during the fall and spring season? My closet for those two seasons is pathetically lacking. So I'm always excited when I find new things to add, which has been fast and furious lately. I will link everything we talk about down below, starting off with this sweater here from Gap. So this is one of those options where I've talked about this one before, but you guys, this is such a gorgeous cardigan. Love the fact that it is cropped because it looks fantastic with a pair of high-rise jeans, and it's also great for layering on top of a skirt or a dress. It has this beautiful textured feel to it that's still very soft and broken in. Gap does that so well. And of course it is that classic design in the back. This is 100% cotton, as is all of these clothes. If you guys are new to my channel, I've been in the process over like the past year and a half of flipping synthetics out of my closet in favor of natural fibers. But the next top I have to show you is this classic black cotton top from Target. Have talked about this one before as well, but it's just such a great option because you can instantaneously get that elevated casual vibe with absolutely no effort whatsoever. It's super comfortable on. It does have a longer sleeve, and that's just, you know, another one that's a classic in the back. But I just love tops like this because it's so versatile to wear with basically anything. I'm all about my puff sleeves, so whenever I find one, it is like rejoicing, and I am loving this olive tone. Obviously, for the fall season. Now, truth be told, when I saw this online, initially I was like, well, I want to see what it looks like in person, but my expectations were low because I'm not typically a fan of this crinkled look. But I'm telling you, when you put this on, there's just something about it that works. It is so fun and effortless, especially with a great pair of jeans and some booties. So I mentioned before that when it comes to sweaters, I typically do not like turtlenecks because I feel like I am being choked to death. I also don't like that the turtleneck itself can either be super stiff, as if you're wearing a neck brace, but then it can also like flop around too much and just drive you crazy. This is by Free Assembly by Walmart. Again, 100% cotton. The price point is absolutely superb. And I most especially love the fact that this is longer, so it's perfect to wear with leggings. Oh my gosh. I love wearing a chunky cotton sweater with leggings and some boots. In the colder weather, it's just like such a perfect outfit. And then this also does have a dropped shoulder just to give it a little bit more of a fresh take. So we've talked about before the fact that historically it has been quite difficult to find a 100% cotton cardigan. Most of them are acrylic blends. But when you find a 100% cotton cardigan that is also like really reasonably priced, it is like finding a needle in a haystack. So super excited to see Target release a batch of them. This comes in a number of different colors. I gravitated toward this shade just because, I love this warm brown tone with like a reddish orange undertone to it. It is so pretty. You guys, this does have functional pockets in the front, which I love pockets on anything, skirts, dresses, cardigans. And this is another cotton sweater that just feels like it has been in your collection forever. It is perfectly broken in. It's super soft, even though the yarn itself is slightly textured because it's very thick. But also what I love about this is it is another longer style, so it's great with wearing over a pair of leggings to get the coverage you want in the back, but it also looks super cute with the mini dress as well. It's just a super versatile option. Okay, so this next top is kind of basic, but what I adore about it is that they added this ever so slight little puff to the sleeve. You guys, it is almost undetectable, but it is so cute on. I love tops like this so much because you throw them on, it still looks pulled together, even with something as simple as a pair of jeans, and then you can just like make magic happen with tops like this. You can layer on gold jewelry, you can add a hat, you can layer on a blazer, you can layer on a cute jacket. I mean, the possibilities are absolutely endless. This is very comfortable on. It's also a great weight. It's not too heavy, it's not too light. It's like that perfect in between. It does have the cuff with a little bit of volume, like I said, to add some puff on that sleeve. And then it is just a crew neck in the back as well. Next up, of course, is a flannel. Is there any way we can survive the chill without an amazing cotton flannel hanging in our closets? Again, to find a 100% cotton flannel that is also really soft and broken in, not stiff or bulky, is just almost impossible. Old Navy has been nailing it with their flannels. They are typically oversized, so definitely size down. I went with an extra small and it fit perfectly. This pattern in particular sold out. They might have restocked it, but nonetheless, they are rolling out with so many different colors and patterns. Oh my gosh, I have my eye on one or two more. It does have a slight high-low situation going on, so you are gonna get a little bit of coverage in the back. But again, just such a beautifully soft option that just feels so good on. Okay guys, and one more sweater to show you. This is another one that is ever so slightly cropped. That just tends to be the style I gravitate towards. And when I say cropped, I'm not talking about a sweater that's like showing off the midriff. I'm talking about a sweater that is just like grazing along the top of the belt line to just give you like a really beautifully tailored look. This is another dropped shoulder that is just so incredibly soft. I love this sweater so much, especially the price point. It is phenomenal. There's nothing crazy going on. It is a classic, but it still manages to feel really fresh and modern. I just love wearing navy because it works with any type of jean. You can wear it with a light rinse. You can wear it with a super dark saturated navy. You can even wear it with black to get a super sleek and sophisticated look. It is just absolutely beautiful and fun to play around with. Okay guys, so that'll do it for a couple top options for you to potentially consider for your fall wardrobe. Everything we talked about today we listed and linked down below, and like I said, I'm just always excited to actually find things that I like to add to my non-existent fall wardrobe. It makes the transition into colder weather like that much more exciting. But in any event, thank you guys so much for spending your time with me today. I hope you're having a good one, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!